Welcome to how to install apps on your laptop. In this video, we're going to show you how to install mobile apps on your laptop. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to write in Google Play, then you will find the site and click on it. So here you will see the Windows section, click on install on Windows and then the game will start downloading. After the game finished downloading, you can click on open and then the installation file will open. You can install your game here. So this method will not work for all apps. If you want to install other more apps, you can also try another store like Microsoft Store. You need to click on Start, then search for Microsoft Store. So using this store, you can install a lot more apps. So here is Spotify Music, as you see. You can click on it and click on Get. You will need to wait for the download to finish. So I will click on Open and now the app is successfully installed. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.